start with, as always, this is the last time we're gonna do some practice papers for, after that we're gonna start the new topics. So we are now going to start with this. Okay, this is Raffles Girls paper. So, okay. Because this is the last lesson before your exams, and some of you may have gotten your exams, right? So again, this time maybe we do a little bit more challenging ones. Question number 6. Okay, they tell you that the perimeter is 72 cm. They want you to find the length. Now, where is the length? The length is here. The length is the longer part of the rectangle. So they want you to find out what is the length. Can you find the length? Please find the length. Okay. Do you know how to do this? Come, Shafia. Shafia, turn on your video, Shafia. Putra, come turn on your video. Those who don't turn on, I got to put you outside of the class. Come. I need to see you. Oh yeah, you're walking around the house, Sophia. You're finding a place. And I can see in her mouth she's still eating food. Tengah buka. Putra, where are you, Putra? Cannot see you. Okay, come. Miss Neris, do you know how to do this? Perimeter is here. This is the perimeter. Perimeter is the outline. Okay. So now, how do you, and they tell you the perimeter is 72 cm. How do you find this one here? Come. Putra. It's quite easy one. Not so tough. Remember down here is also 9. So we don't know. Let us see now. We have an answer from one of you. Inshallah, but not story lah. I tell you a real thing. Something real that happened. But it's a short story, but it's a real thing. But I only told the P6 lah. So I think the rest may not know about it. Come. The perimeter is the outline. Okay. Can do, huh? This is your last lesson while in the month of Ramadan, huh? This one's green. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys now. And while you guys are doing, Putra, you know how to do, right, Putra? Not sure how to do? Hey, you know lah, Putra. I believe in you, Putra. You know, there was once a guy by the name of Putra, but in English. Very popular singer. You know what's the name, right? Prince. You know Prince? Okay. They tell you that the perimeter is 72. Perimeter is this plus this plus this plus this. I draw it below, you see? This first one is here. Second one is down here. I laid out for you. Third one is here. Fourth one is here. Now this one you know is 9 cm. This is 9 cm. So take 72 minus 9 minus 18. First step, 72 minus 9. Then after that, minus 9. Minus 18. Now what do you get? You get 52, 54. you get 54. Where's 54? This is now 54 lah. This one here is 54. 54 is for the two lengths. Two lengths is 54. You want to find one length, divide by 2. So 54 divide by 2. What do you get? You get 27. You get 27 over here. I repeat, first you take 72 minus 9 minus 9, you get 54. 54 is for this one here and this one here. Two length is 54. So divide by 2, you get 27. Okay, we'll move on. We'll move on first. We'll move on. Okay. This one. The mass of a child is 20 kg and 103 grams. What is the mass in kg and grams? Come try, Naris. The weight is 20,103 grams. What's the weight in kilograms and grams? Remember 1 kilogram is how much? 1,000 grams. 1 kg is 1,000 grams. Come, make a guess, make a guess. Okay, I will show you some pictures. Okay, what is 201 kg? If you think the baby is 201 kg, okay, I'm going to try and find something up for you now. Are we ready? Anyone got the answer now? Okay, I'm now going to share with you someone who's 200 kg. These people are 200 kg. They're quite fat, and this one no lah, this one maybe more. Okay, this 200 kg, you know. Can you see? 23-year-old man with 200 kg weight. Can you see now this one? This man is 200 kg. So it cannot be the baby, it cannot be 200 kg lah. It's a monster baby. How did he come out from the mother's womb? By the way, it's not coming out from mother's stomach. Some of you think you come out from mother's stomach. Do you think come out from mother's stomach or womb? Stomach, what comes out of stomach will come out as tahi, you know. Takkan you come out as tahi. You can come out as tahi, no, right? Okay, you come out from the womb, all right, not from the stomach. So that is 200 kg. So it cannot be 200 kg. Let us see who has given the answer. Yes, please go, please go, please go. You need to go to toilet, please go. So this first one is out lah. Cannot be. 2 kg. What is 2 kg? This one might be 2 kg lah, this thing here. Can you see this thing 2 kg? Takkan a baby is so light. Okay, this child, not baby. A baby can be this light or heavier, slightly heavier. But this is a child. The child now is either one. This one or this one. So how to find out? Take 20,103. You divide it by 1,000. You divide this by 1,000. When you divide by 1,000, there's 1, 2, 3 zeros. You shift. 1, 2, 3. Put the dot. 20 kg, 103 grams. This is your answer. Okay. You can change this into kilograms and grams by dividing by 1,000. But do you all know how to divide or not? Okay, we try the questions on the board to see whether you know how to divide. Okay. Divide by 1,000. You tell me, we'll test you one by one. First, we test Putra lah, Putra. Okay, Putra, what's the answer? Hey, Putra, how can you disappear? Or Shafia, you know how to do this one?
I know.
This one. You know? You know, okay. What's the answer?
75 kg, 600
grams. Yeah, correct. 623 grams. Correct. Yeah. So now, if you divide by 1,000, there's 1, 2, 3. You see from here the dot 1, 2, 3 dot down here. So 75 kg, correct. Now we try Shafia. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4 grams. You want to divide it by 1,000 grams. What is your answer, Shafia?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3 kg.
6, 5, 4.
Well done. That's it. That's it. Huh? Neris, I want to ask her, but she's not around. She has requested permission to go to somewhere else. All right, let's see. So congratulations to Mr. Putra. Okay. So by the way, you know who's the other guy by the name of Prince? There's a singer last time. He's dead already. Okay, he sang this song. He's okay, I show you lah. Just for you to know, people with your name. Okay, let's. Oh, sorry, this guy. Look a little bit disgusting now. Prince, the singer. There's other people with the name of Prince. This is the singer Prince. He died in 2016. Where is he? This is him, Prince. There's also this Prince, something Prince is a Christian preacher. Quite a well-known something Prince. I forgot his name. But yeah.
He looks like Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, no, he's not. I prefer Michael Jackson to him. He's a little bit strange, this guy. And there was a case of this other singer. She said that this guy tried to beat her up, and that singer became Muslim. You know what's the name? This lady, she became Muslim. You can see she wear the hijab now. Last time she was brought up and she will be singing like that. This is her. And now she wearing hijab. And she said a Prince, one day we went out with Prince tried to beat her up. She ran to a neighbor and said maybe they're all on drugs, They don't know what they're doing. When you're on drugs, I had a friend who one day he took some tablets. He was working in a shopping mall. This was long time ago, not now. This was when he was not even 20 years old. Took some tablets. He didn't know what he was doing. Next thing he was in the police station. You know what he did? They say that he went to the cake shop, they take the cake, eat, and then after that they go and take the fire hose and start spraying it all around in the shopping mall. So if you take drugs, you won't know what happens, no? Okay, stay away from drugs. Okay, which one is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction. That means you try to make it the same. It's actually the same. Okay, I'll show you what it means. Later we ask Cikgu Putra to explain. By the way, jemput makan, this is my dinner actually. You know what this is? Corn. I'm not eating rice. Poor thing, Poor thing. All my mother and wife needs to do is just boil something. Okay, let's see. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. I know this is rather easy for you. So maybe you can do no, cannot go next one. Very easy. Okay, this first one is out. Ask yourself which one you can reduce. You can reduce to the lowest term. We reduce to lowest terms. Okay. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide both by 2 and 2. You get 1 over 2. This one you divide by 2, you get 1 over 4. This one you divide by 3, you get 1 over 3. So this number 4 is the answer. So we will ask now, Putra, how do you explain? You got the answer correct. How do you explain that this 1/3 is equal to 3 over 9? What is the explanation now? It's correct, but why is it so? Hey, Putra, I just asked you to turn on the video. Now, you all know why now. This one is a pizza. We cut into 3 parts. This one is also a pizza, but we cut into 9 parts. But how do we cut? Each part we divide it into 3. Can you see now? So it's still the same. Down here is still the same. This 3 is the same as 1/3. Can you see? So this bottom number is how many parts do you cut? How many parts you cut? Okay? Do you get it or not? Well, what you're eating, Aneris? It looks very nice. What is that? You're not eating anything. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna move on to. Can you try this, please? This one. Well done. Maybe Putra is too simple for you. Okay. We see. We will go on. We'll see how it is. Huh? This is plus. Huh? Now for the Neris and Shafia, what do you do this one? You need to times by 3. Make the denominator the same, times by 3. So this becomes 3, 9 plus 3, 9.
Then you add them up.
Yeah, add them up, they become 6, 9. But there's no 6, 9 here. Putra said the answer is 2. Because you must divide by 3. You
3.
reduce, divide. So you get 2 over 3. Well done. Okay, let's move on. Huh? Can you try this again? Now they give you the area. Area is 114. The breadth is 6. What is the length? Let us see. Can teacher fraction? Yeah, this is okay. Fraction. Hold on. We'll go through fraction in a moment. So how to do this? Story in a moment. Story in a moment. We're still just in the beginning. Once you can't focus, we tell story as a break actually. Okay. So down here now, the area is 114. Now, how do you get area? Is length times breadth. Length times breadth. So it's like what times 6 equals to 114. That's what it means. So let us see how to find the answer. Let's say blank. Let's say we give a blank times 4 equals to 8. Do you know what's the answer down here? Blank times 4. What?
4.
2. How you get 2?
You say 4. 4. 2, yeah.
2. So 8 divided by 4, you get 2. So do the same thing. 114 divided by 6 lah. 114 divided by 6. Okay, you divide. What do you get? 1, 5, 4, 9. This is 19 cm. 19 cm. Okay. Now we try the next one. I hope you are getting it. You must try to get it. Okay, can you try this angle now? Very simple.
No. This one can use calculator.
Cannot. No.
What is it calculate one?
Calculate doesn't mean use calculator lah. Primary 4 don't have.
Oh, yeah. Teacher, where you buy?
This one I bought in Giant. I got to lose weight. You see, I've grown too fat. I don't want to be like a 200 kg man. Yeah, so I need to lose weight, and I'm eating this is like mango juice, but real juice, and eating corn and oats, and I just miss eating rice with sambal goreng and ketupat and sambal satay and kueh tat and get drinks. Okay, what's the answer for this one? Come on. Very easy, very easy. Neris, come on, cheyo. Shafia can get, Shafia. Shafia, what are you doing? You're doing something else, huh? Come on, try this one. But I like your headphone. Remember, a square has 90-degree angles at all corners. And this 90 degrees too. Come on, come on, come on. Cheyo, cheyo, cheyo. Okay, we have gotten an answer from, let me see, what are you doing for Raya? Alamak, I am not doing anything actually. I'm just staying at home. I'm actually in the midst of making a documentary. I showed you my documentary trailer, right, the other day? No. Okay, later I'll show you lah. But you might be bored lah by this documentary. Husna Shafia says, okay, congratulations, Shafia. Okay, well done. Take very simple. Take 90 because this is 90 degrees here. This is 90 degrees. 90 minus
times.
Don't times 90 minus 67. This is 90 degrees. Minus 67, you get 23 as Shafia said. Well done. Okay, Neris, okay, I will answer. I'll show Neris what I'm going to do in a moment. Okay, but now we still move on now. We still move on now. We try first. Okay. I'm doing quite a number of stuff actually. The area of a square 4 cm. What is the breadth of the what? Oh my goodness. I think they missed out. What is the length of the square? Okay. Not breadth or something. Okay, what is the length of the square? We change length of the square. Alamak, ni sama tak boleh ah. Tak ada ink ah. Itu. What is the length of the square? They tell you that the area is 64. Remember, Neris? In a square, the length and breadth are the same. What times what equals 64? What same number times itself equals 64? Once you know that, you know what the answer is. Anyone knows what times what equals 64? Chayo, come on. What times what equals 64?
1 times 2 equals to 64.
Same number.
8 times 8.
8 times 8. Congratulations, you found what is the length for squares like that. Because this is area. Easy, yeah? Easy, okay? Who's that? Who's that behind? Yeah, Adik Jongko, you know, can hear the sound inside in the back of the house. In the background of the house. Okay, so now we're not going to measure. We're not going to do this. Yeah, can you try question 25? Come on, come on. Question 25. Come on. Well done, Putra, for A. Notice what's your answer for yeah, let's see now.
Sure, my B correct.
No, I'm checking now. Hold on. Congratulations. Congratulations. Neris and Shafia, come try question 25. Then Putra, you try question 26. Extra question for you.
Isn't it question times? As you say each one.
Yeah.
Or do you times?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. But you must understand the question now.
Yeah, I understand.
Shafia, well done for A. Neris, what about you? Okay, Shafia, try also question number 2. Question number 26. Neris, come, Neris, try question number 25A. You can do this, Neris.
Okay.
So you ask your Neris, just very simple, Neris. You write down 4, 9, 7.
Sure, next question already done.
Okay, just moment, Huh? So Neris, just take out the 9 here and then put a 0 in all of it. All of the other, you get 9,000. Okay. So for this sort of question, you just take out the thing and write 0 for all the rest of the parts. What about the next one? And there is B. What about B? What is that you're writing? B. What about B? Come on, B. Neris. You can write it here. Write it down here. The answer, Neris. Putra, you got the answer, eh? Let me check. Okay, let me see. Congratulations, Putra. Come, Neris, this one. 7. Now we try to identify down here. Okay, I'm going to expand this picture photograph. Not photograph, image. But cannot. Down here. Okay. I will do it again. Sorry, yeah. So then you ask you the digit 7 is in what place? So this is what place? Well, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So you write down here in the hundreds place. That's it. All you need to do is just write. But you cannot write 100, must write hundreds place. Hundreds place. Something like that. Okay. The next one below, you take it's a times question as Putra found out. You just take 219 times 14, you get 3066. Okay, now this one now. This is a little bit. You try now. You must believe that you can do this. You have to believe. At 8:45, I'll tell you a short story. It's a real thing. Don't worry, it's not a history of Sun Plaza. Try to figure out. Someone has sent an answer here. $40. Terlalu besar. I cannot just take 100 minus 60. Cannot do that. What do you think it is? First of all, you must find what is one side. They tell you the perimeter of the square is 100. Perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see now? Otherwise, I have to use another color. Perimeter of ABCD is ABGF is down here. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 sides. And these 4 sides is 100 cm. You need to find one side. So how to find one side? 100 divided by 4. You divide by 4 lah. And then what do you get? 100 divided by 4. You can get the answer. Same thing. They tell you now, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 sides. It's how many cm? 60 cm. Takes 60 divided by 4. You can find one side. 100 divided by 4 and 60 divided by 4. Find out what's the length of one side. Hundred divided by 4, 60 divided by 4. Let's see. 85. No. 85. Okay, come. 100 divided by 4, you get 25. What does it mean? That means, what is 25? From here. Sorry, I draw again. Hold on. From here to here is 25. From here to here is 25. 60 divided by 4, you get 15. From here to here is 15. So what is this part here? Take 25 minus 15 and you will get 10 here. 25 minus 15, if you don't believe, you will get 10. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 15, sorry, not minus 10. Sorry. Maaf. I already mabuk already. Sorry. Okay. I repeat. This is 25, this is 15. 25 minus 15, you get 10. Not 15. So 25 minus 15. You minus that, you get 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So this is 10 cm. You must be able to, it's a little bit complex, but you must be able to do this. This is expected of you. Okay, we move on to another 2 more questions before we go to a story. Okay, can you try this one? We want you to find the perimeter. Perimeter is all on the outside. What is the perimeter? Okay, just give me a moment. Find the perimeter. Okay, anyone got the perimeter? All those that got 2, that thing means it's 15. This one is 15. This one is 15. This one is 15. This one is 15. And all those with 1 mark is 5. Come on, you know how many 5 there are, how many 15 there. You can check. There's 1 5. There's 2 5. There's 3 5. There's 4 5. There's 5 5. There's 6 5. There's 7 5. There's 8 5s. There's 4 15s. So 4 15, you take the 4 times 15 lah. 4 15 give you the 4 15, 15. What do you get? 60. See, are you sure? Yes. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. 45 plus 15 is 60. Then how many 5 are there? This one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Yeah, so do you get total how much? You add both of them together. What's the answer? 100. When add together is 100. Okay, we move on. This one, please try. Try. You have this at every paper. You have this. Please try. Take note of all this.
Teacher, I forgot what is clockwise.
Clockwise, very easy. You look at the clock will always go like that. It goes. So it's going this direction. That's clockwise. If you look at the people going on Hajj, it's anti-clockwise. Okay, we go and see the people. We go to the Kaaba, can we go to Kaaba. Google, bring us to the Kaaba, please. Google, bring us to the Kaaba. This Shanet or corner is not the Kaaba. Okay, we need pilgrims around the Kaaba. The pilgrims are going which direction? They're going like that, anti-clockwise. Okay, you want to see a video to show the movement? You can see. In fact, I met a very interesting man who had a strange. The YouTube video is here, no? This man had a strange experience, and when I went to Fiji, I wanted to meet him, and I met him. You want to see the man? You want to see the man? Okay, but we look at the spinning of the Kaaba. See how, in which direction it goes. So you must be very clear. Okay. It goes. You know, this is why is it so few, because safe distancing. But do you notice they were going in a anti-clockwise direction? Clockwise is going this way. This is anti-clockwise. Okay. Hold on. Okay. What's the name of that bird? Bulbul bird. Bulbul bird. Hatch. Okay, I will search for it because this was many years ago, more than 6 years ago. I will check what bird is that. So what happened was, the man was going around the Kaaba. This bird just sat on his shoulder and wouldn't fly away. And as he's going around the Kaaba, he keep. So I thought it was a sign that this man is a holy man. So I went to see him. When I went to Fiji to train the teachers, I realized that this person was there. So I asked, can I see him? So, and he was a very religious man. When he hugged me, his heart was pounding. It's a very strange hug. Anyway, we go back to this. So now we are back to clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now, first you need to fill up this one. Miss Neris, can you fill up what these are? Can you fill in the blanks here? Neris, come back. Don't be like Putra. When I call your name, you disappear from the camera. Okay. Let's see. We ask Shafia. Shafia, can you fill up these blanks? Which one is north? North is given. Which one is south? And we will ask Putra because his name is Prince in Malay.
South.
Where's south? This one or this one? Yang mana south? Can you label? I want you to label. Okay.
Is this one?
Where? Okay. What is this one now?
I don't know lah.
Don't know. Okay. Putra, you label. Putra, label. Putra, label. South is there. Some more. West is there. Good. Yes. So notice you have the word we. Yes. Okay. We test Putra now. Because his name is Prince in Malay, he's the Prince of Malay. Encik Putra, what is north in Malay? Hi. Sabah is
Okay. I know.
Oh, who knows? Shafia, you know. Utara. Okay. Then there's now down here west. There's now west. Barat. Normally you say orang Barat, orang putih. Indonesia, they don't call them orang putih. They call them orang bule. Okay. East, what is east?
Timur.
And south?
Selatan.
You are reading from the notes, I think.
No.
No. Okay. Yes, he
Yes.
is. Okay, now she's facing, now she's standing here, X here. And then she's facing southwest. So southwest is where? Southwest, that means she's facing this direction. Means the girl now, the head is looking in this direction. She's looking at the swimming pool. And then they say she will turn an angle 135 degrees. 135 degrees in a clockwise direction. So 135 degrees is made up of what? Okay, you must remember that each of this angle here is 45 degrees. So 45. This is another 45. 45 plus 45 is how much? Is 90 already. And 90 plus 45 is 135. Okay, this is another 45 degrees. Another 45 degrees. So this all together, if you add up 45 plus 45 plus 45, this is equals to 135. So she's gonna turn down here until she reaches the school. Then she will face the school. Okay, are you okay? She will turn now. At first, she's facing swimming pool. She will turn down here until she faces this angle here, this 135 degrees. She will face the school. Okay, I think you look blur. I'm not too sure. Shafia, you get it or blur? Blur. Okay, no, get it. Okay. All right, we try this one now. Can you try fractions in honor of Mr. Putra? Subtract 1/4. This one, number 4. Come, all of us do this. In order of you. Honor, you don't say what lah. Say thank you. Oh, this is the adik eh. Adik, can I see your face, adik? Shafia. Adik Shafia, the one, she's the one in the picture eh. Oh, I see. What's her name? What's her name, Shafia?
Alia.
Alia. Oh, this one then Neris, what the one? Neris also got adik also eh. How many adik you have, Neris? 2 adik. And then 1 kakak. So 4 of you guys. Putra, you also got adik eh?
Yeah.
Wow, everyone got adik eh? I'm the youngest one. I wish I have an adik also. Okay, can we try this one and then we have a short story now, come? Very quickly. Subtract this from this. Yes, come on. You know how to do. Okay, very simple. I'm going to just write down the question. When you say from, that means this one got to be in front. 7/12 minus 1/4. Subtract means minus. Subtract means to take away.
Sure.
Yeah, please do. I'm just writing the question. Yeah. Don't shout lah. The tight telinga all pecah no, but thank you for doing that, because sometimes it's stuck. Now after you shout, the whole thing can just drip off my ear. But you know what happens to the earphone? Aduh, why is she screaming ni? Come try. Shafia, Neris, come try this fraction question. Okay, let's see whether Putra has gotten the right. Okay, let's see. Mr. Putra. Putra said the answer is that. Well, I think, Putra, you are absolutely... Hold on. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. You win for yourself. You win for yourself a free big sister. Yeah. You don't want to have one more kakak? Don't want. Kakak is bullying you. Don't want to be only kakak. Okay, come, Shafia and the rest. Okay. Note your answer. Oh, kakak. Oh, okay. Then who gave you the answer? So down here now, in order to minus, you must change this to also the same denominator.
I need to cook for me.
Hey, who is that?
Oh, so one. Can you give me one?
Hello.
Give me one. Wait.
I also want.
Eating rice.
Aduh. We can hear everyone talking about eating rice. What is this? It's okay. Hey. Apa terjadi ni? Okay, now so 7 minus 3 you get 4 over. Yes.
How many siblings you have?
Savings?
Siblings.
Siblings. Okay, hold on. We finish this. Who's that, man? Okay. Okay, now. So this one answer is 7 minus 3, right? How you get a 3? This one, you got to make it the same denominator. Why? Down here, when they cut, they're cutting 4 parts only. Now, how to minus? This is 4 parts. This one now down here has 12 parts. Okay, the cuts are in 12. But the 7 parts only, because on top number is 7. So now you cannot minus. How to minus small minus big? You cannot. You know what I'm talking about. This number at the bottom here tells you the size of the pizza slices. This pizza slice is very big. This pizza slice is very small. So down here there's 12. There's like it cut in 12 parts now. But there's only 7 slices left. So how to take away 1/4? You must be able to change it to the same denominator. So as Cikgu Putra have done, so when you minus 7 minus 3, you get 4/12, and then you bring to lowest term, divide by 4, you get 1/3. Okay, well done. Okay, it's 1/3. Okay, I think you all are quite distracted, but okay, we will tell you this real story lah. Okay, this I show you the picture of it, right, so that you all know. Okay.
So you haven't answered my question.
Oh, what's the question? How many siblings do I have? I have 2 elder brothers. I am the youngest. But I do not know. Sometimes when I was young, there's 2 elder brothers. I have 2 elder brothers. But when I was young, my elder brothers told me that my mother found me at the tong sampah. So I do not know whether my real. Sometimes siblings tell us that, but it's actually not true. Okay, but my mother, you saw my mother, right? My mother is half Chinese. Okay, so I got a little bit of Chinese blood lah. Which part is it? Is my hand all? There's not enough hair. Indian people normally they have a lot of hair. I don't have enough hair. You see, in the night we can just do like that and catch many mosquitoes, but I can't do that. Anyway, now this is something that is true. You can check this out. You can Google it. I'm going to show you how to Google. Okay. So if you Google Mount stands for mountain, Mount Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius. Now this mountain erupted in World War II. It also erupted a very, very long time ago. Where? I show you in AD 79. In an ancient city. Can you see? The ancient city of Pompeii was buried in volcanic ash. When the volcano erupted, it covered 2 cities. One of it is Pompeii, and the other one is Herculaneum. And what is the story? Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Down here we look at this is the recreation of the we can see this one here. Let me share the sound also so that you all can hear the sound. Okay. Can you hear? This is what happened. Yeah. So it started like any other day. Okay, but I'm going to forward 8 a.m. what happened. See, this is what happened. This is a simulation, as if what happened in the morning, and then can you see the mount? The mount was like that. Started to make noise, but the people didn't know that it's going to erupt and cover the whole city. This whole city will be covered. Okay, and then what happened? Nampak? You start to get even more smokier and it erupted more and more. So down here,
No, is the building.
yeah, because the eruption shook the entire walls, and it's moving lah. It's like an earthquake. You see? Can you see? Some of these stones from the volcano fell onto the city. What happened after that? At 3 p.m. This is how they are recreating for you what happened, what the thing happened in AD 79, the year 79. So what happened? Okay, now the whole city is cloudy. Okay. and people are trying to escape from the city. In fact, they will try to escape. They can escape by sea, but the seas will boil. You know why they boil? Because these volcanic stones and all, they will fall into the sea and it will start to heat up. Like boiling water, like you boil a kettle of water. Imagine how is the ship going to go there? In fact, one particular ship tried to save them. Everyone in the ship died. And how do we know? Someone, the historian, recorded it. 5 p.m. So by this time, if you are here, you are hiding inside the house, right? But you are in an oven. No, this is like an oven, you know. You are going to be heated up, right? (8 p.m. at night).
Is this real?
Yeah, this is real. This is a recreation of what happened in the year 79. 79. I will show you now later after this why this is so. So this is what happened in there. And then so it became dark. So why am I showing you this? Why am I showing you this? Hold on, let me just stop this. I'm showing you this because today you can visit the city. About 300 years ago, this city was covered by lava, was covered by dust. And then about 300 to 400 years ago, someone in that area, this is in Italy, he was digging a well. And dig the well, you instead of getting water, he got a deep hole inside. So he took a pebble, you know, a pebble, right? Small stone, he threw it into the hole. And loud sound. He says, there's no water. Water sound is different. This is like a very long, it took a long time to reach the bottom. So he took some light, fire and all, he went down and he saw that the entire floor was made of marble. You know what's marble? Not goli, you know. Marble flooring, you know. I'll show you lah. Okay, because sometimes you say you know, but you don't know. So let me just show you now. Okay, now marble, I'll show you marble. Marble flooring is like this. Marble. So marble, how come marble flooring? Can you see what I'm typing? Can, right? This is marble flooring. Have you seen before? Mahal one, down like that.
It's marble. Oh, yeah, I saw my school.
Have like that, right? Toilet, okay. But imagine this one.
Yeah, toilet.
In the olden days, very difficult to marble. And they have to take it from far away, from a quarry, far away to get this marble and smoothen it. And so he saw an entire city was inside, underground. And today they have dug up that city. And you can visit the city. But not only can you visit the city, you can see how the people die. So I'm going to show you how the people died. You want to see it? You can see the last moments.
How many people died in that world?
Oh, no, they see the remains of the people who died. Okay, I'll show you now. The people who died, okay? I put on here, last moments, death, Pompeii. Can you see all this? Here, this is the last moments of death.
Show us the video.
I show. This is now the person, last moments. You see this person is trying to hide. He cannot. It's too hot. He's burning. And then not only that, you can see people lying down like that. These are real people, but you know, this is cement. So how do they get this? I'm going to show you in a moment. But this, you can visit the place today. Where is it? It's in which place? What's the name of the place? Pompeii in Italy. Yes, in Italy. You look at this person. You think he's suffering or not? This one. In his last moments of death, he's suffering, right? And sometimes you can even see children. See poor children also. They cannot do anything. They just lie down and they die. So how come we can get to see the bodies? Even the dog also we can see. How come we see one of them? Moment of death that has become hardened, you know. So how is it we can see? I look at this man, poor thing, right? You can see his face. So how is it we can get this? So now we show now, okay? Plastering, plaster cast Pompeii. Then you can understand how they get it. Okay, I'll show you. There is this thing down here. Okay, you see this one. You have to understand this. Look, you go to school, you must understand many things that happen. No, don't just study, you don't know what you're doing, you use formula. So when the people die, that's not you saw the eruption, they die like that. Then they are buried in the ash. The ash covers them, right? And then they harden. Their bones are here. Then the archaeologists, they realize, hey, there is a shape down here. If we pour a special cement inside a plaster, they call it plaster, it's like cement. They pour the cement inside here, you can get the shape. And the shape is like that. But inside here, you still have the bones, you know. So what you are seeing is actually the cement of the last shapes. You understand what I'm saying? You understand? So actually, that's now you are seeing now down here. This one over here. Ya Allah, hold on, let me show you again. This one here. Come this one cannot. This one, like this man, he is covering his face. This is not his flesh, you know. This is cement. So, and look, he's suffering. We can see the last moments of death. Can you see now? People lying down like that, you know. Inside him, there are bones, you know, there's skeleton. So, you can visit this place. Where is this place? Okay, I'll just show you. Pompeii, Herculaneum. You can put map down here, map. Okay, so you can check where is it. Okay, so let us see now. This is the place. This is in Italy. Have you heard of Naples, Italy? I can see. So Pompeii, Herculaneum is here. Pompeii is here. This is the volcano. So when it erupted, most of it covered down here. I think it covered a few cities. Okay. All right, now we get back to our maths. Okay. But it's a place, if you want to go for holiday, you can go there and get some realization. And then you realize, yes.
What time?
And ya Allah, asyik-asyik what time end. Neris pun dah nak tidur. Don't be like that lah, please. I so want to sleep. But... Okay, come. Okay, we do another half an hour. Okay, here we go lah. Aduh, I'm so sad lah. Students always wanting to go home. They are already at home already. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, we do another paper lah. Methodist girls. You see, I hope one day we will have like something madrasah, and people want to use our test paper. Let us see what is the pattern. Pattern not yet. Okay, this one now. Please try. Number 7. Change the denominator. Make the denominator be the same. This is 6. Make it 6 times 2. Times 2. And times 2. Whatever you times the bottom must times the top. Times 2. Times 2. Times 2. What do you get? 2 plus 2 plus 4.
I know.
What's the answer?
Number 1.
Number 1, 8. Okay, congratulations. Well done. 2 plus 2 plus 4. Well done. 8. Tahniah pada Puan Syafia. Hold on. We do the next one. It's too simple. Okay, never mind. We move on to the next one. How many quarters are there in this? How many quarters? Quarters is 1/4, you know. Hello, Shafia, what are you doing? You are breathing very loudly. You are blowing to all our ears. Okay, when Putra was the one who shout all the time, telinga all pecah, now he's blown out of my ears. How many quarters? Quarter means 1/4 are there in here. How many? You change this into improper fraction, you get answer. How to change to improper fraction? Come on, you try.
Teacher, I know.
What's the answer?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay.
I don't
7 times 4, 28 plus 3, 31. You're correct. 31 quarters. Well done. Okay, well done, well done, well done. Okay, we try now the next one. Okay. This one again, this one again. Hey, this one is the same question. No, slightly different. You try some.
do question 14.
Yes, please. You have to do that. Me, the first. Me, with you.
This is the same question.
No, not the same question.
What's the difference?
This one now is after making a turn.
Oh.
After making a turn is facing southwest. So once again, you got to identify it. I'll do what Mr. Putra has done just now. Mr. Putra says this is west, this is east, and this is south. Southwest is, you know where he's facing southwest now, south and west. So he's facing here now. So he's facing the police station now. But this is after he made a turn, after making a turn clockwise. So he made a clockwise turn, he ended up here. You want to find out where was he facing at first? 3/4 turn. You know what's a 3/4 turn? If you do not know, I'll draw for you. This is 1/4. Sorry. Yeah. This is 1/4 again. This is 2/4. This is 3/4. This is a 3/4 turn.
So,
Yeah.
is it
Is it what?
wait.
This is after he make a turn. So you want to find out.
Is it 4?
4. Okay. Now we try. Now he made a clockwise turn. See, clockwise means he was turning clockwise. Then he reached here. To find out where he was facing, we got to go backwards, and we got to go do a 3/4 turn backwards. So I'm going to do a 3/4 turn backwards. 90 degrees backwards. 90 degrees, another backwards, and another 90 degrees. He was at first facing here. Then he made a clockwise turn, clockwise in this direction. 3/4 means 90, 1/4, 90, 2/4, 90, 3/4. I hope you get it. So the answer is stadium. Stadium. Okay, quiz question. The Indonesians call stadium stadium, and they call jogging. What's the word for jogging? In Malay, you call lari-lari anak or something. Last time when I was young, they call lari. But now, in Indonesia, they call mari kita bermarathon. Marathon is actually a long run, right? But for them, marathon is jogging. Anyway, why am I telling you this? Just for your general knowledge and to stop the boredom. All right, question 17. We have 20 minutes more. I can see that Yes. Shafia is happy. 20 minutes. EFGH is a rectangle with a perimeter of 40 meters. FG is 5 meters. What is the length? Very simple. We have done this before. Come on. Perimeter is 40. This is 5. This is 5. We don't know. We don't know. Find the one you don't know. Come on, boys and girls, you can do this.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it 2?
Well done. Well done. Huh? Let us check whether this is correct. Yeah. Now, one way to check is actually to try out this answer now. If we add what he says, 2 is 15, right? 5 plus 15 is 20. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. You're correct. How to do? First take 40 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. You get 30. Then 30 divided by 2 because you have 2 lengths. You will get 15. Let us move on. What are you doing, Miss Shafia? You look as if you are playing with the jewelry that you're going to use for your wedding. Ah. All right. Can you try now? Smallest even number. You try question 20 and 21. 20 and 21.
Teacher, is even number 2468?
Yes, it is. It is 2468. Alamak. If I was Putra, I think I'll be very frightened. Suddenly, while I'm doing my work, there's someone behind me looking at me. Just now your sister was behind you, right?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, just be careful. Next time you are all alone, you turn around and you have a face looking at you.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared? Okay. Alhamdulillah.
Because you never see one before.
Hi.
Have you seen?
Huh?
Have you seen? You look like a very happy boy. Okay, come, let's try question number 20. The trick is to make the smallest digit first. The smallest number first.
Teacher, wait, can I answer?
Please try. Please try.
2.
2. Okay, hold on. Oh, I write down your answer. Hold on. 2. You want smallest, huh? Why smallest is start with 2? Smallest is not start smallest number. What's the smallest number?
1.
1. Some more, next one.
2.
Next 2. Some more.
4.
4. 8. We make the smallest one first. 8.
8.
9.
9.
And then they ask you for even. This is the even number, right? The nearest there. You push it just down here. You push it here. And then your answer is correct. So it becomes what? 1, 2, 4, 9, 8. Finish. Okay, if they ask you to make the smallest odd or even number, just make the smallest number first. If they say even, take the one that's nearest to the end, push it at the end. And that's it. Very simple. Okay, can you try question number 21? Question number 21. We have another 15 minutes to go. I've eaten natural food. Buka puasa with corn.
Sure.
Yeah.
The
Yeah, what are you doing? You're shooting. Ta. Apa the machine gun in the jungle? Try question number 21, come. 21. 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you shooting?
No, it's not. What is factor?
Factor. Factor a number that can be divided. So 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3. So these are all factors. What number can 24 be divided by? Those are all factors. 24 can divide by 1, can divide by 2, can divide by 3, can divide by 4, can divide by 6, can divide by... All these numbers are factors. Then they want to see what are the common factors both of them can divide by. You get it? So in order to do that, it's best to write down the timetable. Okay, if you're not so sure, we write down that.
Teacher, wait, give us like
1 minute,
3
2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, 5 too long lah. 5 minutes. Yeah, because Neris will be
3.
sleeping. 3 minutes. Okay, and go.
2.
Okay, 2. So you can write like that. I just write the first 2 for you lah. First 3.
Teacher,
Yeah. I will
you do
give
ready?
I have not finished. 4 times
6.
5 cannot. 6 times 4, but same. So we stop.
So
Next
the
one.
factor is 1.
Not yet. This one not finished.
Huh?
4 times 4 cannot. 4 can, right? 4 times 14. 5 cannot. 6 cannot. 7 can. 7 times 8. Okay, now then you count. Okay, what are the common factors? You tell me.
1,
1, 2.
4, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6, 1, 56, 2. What's that? 20.
No, what are the same one? That means 1, 1. What else?
1, 2.
Some more? 2, some more? 8.
2.
Okay, 2.
4.
Okay. 4, 8.
2, 4.
8.
4.
Some.
Eh?
Yeah, 4 there. 4 is here already. Any more?
2, 4, 8.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. You know how to do this question now? Very simple. Okay, we move on. You all look bored. Don't be bored. Who's wasting there? This one, fraction. In honor of Putra, you wanted this, right? We try. Okay, you do not know what's improper fraction. I show you. This down here. The first one is mixed number. This one is mixed number. This one in the square is improper fraction. The top is bigger than the bottom. Improper fraction. So they want you to change this to this form, and they want you to change this to mixed number.
To do question
27. After that, do 28. Oh, we have an answer now. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see, who's it?
3 out of 8. 3 over 8.
50 over 8. Congratulations. How you have 50 over 8? 6 times 8, 48 plus 250. Well done, 50 over 8. What about this one now? This one you got to do long division. So can you see opposite, 1 is times, 6 times 2, then plus. This one you must divide. You must do like that. Divide. Country.
Teacher, can I off the video a while?
Okay. All right. So anyone got answer 86 divided by 8?
Teacher,
Yeah. What's the answer?
do you teach student homework?
What? Homework? If they cannot do,
Yeah.
they can ask me, but not until I do everything for them. You do not know a question, you can ask me.
I don't know how to do ratio.
Okay, ratio is not primary 4 lah.
Ratio so easy.
So we have to do ratio. Maybe one of the days I teach you lah.
Okay.
Okay, why? Someone asked why is it you should go to Italy? Well, if you want to visit Pompeii and Herculaneum, you can get realizations. What realization can you get? It's like going to the grave. You realize that. What's the answer for this one? So 8 divided by 1, you bring down the 6. Can 6 divided by 8? Cannot put a 0. When the number from the top cannot divide, must put a 0. And then that's a remainder lah. So as a mixed number is 10, 6 over 8. But this is not the correct answer. You have to bring it to simplest.
Divide.
Divide by 2. Divide by 2.
3 out of 4.
Yes,
10 and 3 out of 4.
Well done. 3 out of 4. Congratulations. Okay, we try now the next one. Can you subtract this one? I'm now going to share screen again. We have 10 minutes more. I think we will end slightly earlier. You all look as if you all are not so alert. Remember, when it's from, the from one got to be in front. Can or not? So what's the denominator you're going to choose? Oh, someone has given an answer. Yeah, it's not my classroom, it's the room. Before I got married, I made my room into a classroom.
Teacher, what's the clue?
Clue, okay, let's take 9 times 6 times 9. They have the same denominator. Because the denominator is not... Huh?
Terus Bob. Terus Bob. Ada terus Bob.
Who is who? I can hear a lot of noise lah. Come, you do like that lah. So what do you get? 5, 4 times 9, 36 over 54 minus 24 over 54. You minus that. What do you get? You get 5 whole. 36 minus the 24 is 12. Now you can reduce some more. You can divide by 2, divide by 2. So what do you get? 5 whole 6 out of 27. Are you okay? Okay, now boys and girls, can you see? You can concentrate, not tired already. Okay, I tell you, we stop here lah. It's another 5 minutes more. Don't want to stop here. Okay. Don't want. Okay, we move on. That's good. I can see now, Shafia, the head is saying it. Neris, where are you, Neris? You are like in another world. I am in darkness. I am closing my eyes. Why is your voice like that? I am different now.
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, you arrange now from decreasing order. From decreasing means to from big to small. From big to small. You can make the denominator the same. Times all of them, make it the same. Then you can compare. Or you can change this to a mixed number first. Then you can see. You can change it to mixed numbers, boys and girls. Boy and girls. Okay. You're not so sure, I will show you. Down here now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it like this? Is it 11 out of 3 then followed by 2 and 3 out of 4 then 14 out of 5?
Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, so now, so this one now, when I do this one, I get 3 wholes and 2/3. And this one, if I divide 14 divided by 5, I get 2 wholes, remainder 4, which means this is what? 2, 4, 5. Okay. Oh. This is 2, 4, 5. This one is 2, 3, 4. This one 3, 2, 4. So again, what do you see? 11 out of 3 is the first, right? Because this is 3 wholes. So this is first. Then you need to compare between 2 3/4 and 2 4/5. The second biggest one is this. And third is this. Okay. So we will end here. I think you all look very, very tired. Okay, and we will say Selamat Hari Raya to you. maaf zahir dan batin, and take care of yourself.
Just on her.
Bye-bye. You know what zahir and batin are? Hey, you all are Malays, no? Zahir means what is seen. Let's say I do something wrong to you, you know about it, that's zahir. Batin, maybe I going mengumpat about you. I say, you know, this student of mine, you know, blah, 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 blah. That's batin. So that means I minta maaf zahir batin. So that's what you should do. Your mak this okay. Nah, that one is dosa kepada guru secara zahir lah. Okay then. Alright, assalamualaikum. Kita play us a song, play us a song. Why you show us, play us a song, funny lah this girl. Okay then. Assalamualaikum, bye bye.